What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Meezy back today with some more knowledge. Now look, I have not been on this channel for a while, and it's because, first of all, YouTube struck my videos. My videos I was talking about December 21st, all my videos about spirituality were deleted, but I got them back recently, and now I'm starting posting more because that's just another sign like, yo, you need to be doing this, because if the devil is coming to take you away or take away things from you, that means that you are supposed to be doing something. Even though I understand that the manifestation of the devil is just a physical element that we've created as a concept within our minds, I just want you to, we can think on the same page using the word devil. That's the only reason I use those words. But today I want to talk about manifestation. Now, this is kind of my manifestation, like backstory, kind of how I got to where I'm at. So last year in January 2020, I had literally negative $300 something. You feel me? And I didn't have enough money to go buy food. I had to go to Walmart and get motherfucking, what's some shit? Chicken pot pie sandwiches, scan my card. It declined. It looked like the receipt come out, and I had to walk out the store just so I could eat. You feel me? Like, bro, the struggle was so bad, I had to get 50-cent chicken pot pie sandwiches from Walmart. I mean, chicken pot pies from Walmart, and couldn't even pay for it. Today is my manifestation, like what I've been manifesting for my last year. I got my note journal over there, my scripting journal. I don't know if y'all want me to tell y'all about scripting, what I wrote about my scripting. I'll tell y'all about that. But if y'all want to know, comment down below. You feel me? Comment that you want to know something about my scripting, because I'll show y'all the secrets. The first thing I want to tell you is that you need to believe it. Because whenever I had no money, I thought that money was something that I'm supposed to go work for. I thought money was something that I'm just supposed to, like, I need to go hustle to get money. But then this year I realized that money is something that is an energy. And they lied to you when they said money doesn't grow on trees, because how else do we make paper? What the fuck is you talking about? Money don't grow on trees. Money is trees. They take the trees and create paper with it. The fuck are you talking about? So now that we have paper and we create trees, now that we have paper and we create money with that, you must understand that everything in this world is abundant. We have abundance of money, abundance of trees, abundance of the ability to create paper. But what we don't have abundance of is our mindset. If you connect the abundance of the universe with the abundance of your mind, then you are able to attract everything into your life that you possibly want. Now, like I said, last year at this time I had $0. Then what I started doing was manifesting myself a job. But I knew I didn't want to work. So I was manifesting what I didn't want. So I manifested my job in a week, 2 weeks. But the funny thing about that is that whole entire year before I knew about how to manifest, I couldn't get a job. I was like, bro, I'm black, bro. They don't want to hire me. That's the mindset I had. So what happened? I didn't get a job. And then I started thinking, I really need to get a job. I'm going to get this job. So I got a job from a place called Adeco. It's like a little factory where they do Wi-Fi and routers and things like that. We just put tackle boxes together. So the job was like $10 an hour. I worked there for a week and I quit because I didn't want to work for nobody. I knew that since I was 15, but I was just trying to get money, because they told us if you don't have any money, go work. That's how you get money. So I was like, bro, I quit after a week because I did not do it. And I got $200 from that job, and I spent it on food and things like that, help my family out. So then I was back at zero. But y'all might say, why didn't you just keep the job and just work? Because, bro, I was trading my soul for a job. And I'm not selling my soul. You feel me? I'm not doing that bullshit. What is you talking about? I'm not selling my soul. So look, I got that, then I quit. So then I started manifesting more. I was like, I'm worth more than just $10 an hour. I believe I should have a job worth more than that. So then I got a job for $15 an hour at Amazon. So then I worked there for 3 months because it wasn't too bad, but I was getting $500 a week from that. So a lot of people would say, dang, bro, that's real good. $500 a week. That's like $2,000 a month. You could do a lot with that. So I was like, the first week I got there, I was like, it's not bad. Second week I got there, I was working like 36 hours a week, and I've never worked that much in my life. Like, I'm telling you, bro, I've never worked 36 hours in my life. I was like, bro, hell no, I don't see how y'all do this shit. 12 hours a shift, 3 days a week? You got me fucked up. I'm not fat, bro. I was in that bit all night scanning items, just walking up and down, coming home, being like, it wasn't a bad job. You feel me? It's probably more jobs out there that's more labor intensive and shit. But like, that's not for me. Because I wanted to be a multi-millionaire by February 2021. How the fuck am I gonna be a millionaire making $2,000 a week? I'm trying to make that every day. That's the mindset I had. So the reason I had to keep working is because I had my car. I had just got into an accident the day before I got that job, or I started working that job, I got into a car accident. So this is how manifestation works as well. Whenever you manifest something into your life, you will lose something at the same time. So I lost my car, then I started working there. And then as soon as I got my car back, what I did was I quit the job. Because, bro, I was not doing that shit. The story behind that was, it was raining outside. It was like, bro, it was raining hard as fuck. And I had a lunch in my car. So I ran to my car and I sat in my car. I was wet as fuck, dude. I was wet as shit, soaking wet, and I went back inside. So I went back inside and I was just standing there. I was looking at them items, but I was like, do I really want to scan this shit? I was like, is this really where I want to take my life? And at that very moment, when I said no, I realized that I am the only person who's going to do something for me. You feel me? If this is not the best for me, why would I do it? So I quit. So I had like $300-400 in my bank account, and I quit that job. So then I had bought myself a laptop, and I was just saying I'm a grind for me. So then I started smoking again, so all my money started going straight to weed. Then I quit that shit. As soon as I quit weed, that's when I started making my money. So throughout that whole entire time that I was at Amazon, I was literally on break, bro. I would work for 12 hours, but 6 hours of those time I would be on break because I was not doing that shit. Like, I don't give a fuck. So I have my manifestation journal, and I'll be writing and scripting the whole time. I'll be writing things like, I am worth this. Well, actually, I never said I am worth anything, because I'm worth more than anything on this planet. But I would say things like, I am now able to make $2,000 a day. I am now able to have 500,000 on TikTok, and I'm able to make income on TikTok. I have a YouTube channel. I'm able to make money on YouTube. And I write down exactly what I wanted. I say, I'm thankful that I have 2,000 followers on Instagram, or I'm now thankful that I have $2,000 a month coming into my bank account. Then I surpass that already. Then I start saying, I'm now thankful that I'm making $25,000 a month within real estate. So I'm on a mission to do that right now. And it's like, once you start programming yourself and you start telling yourself this is what you want, your subconscious mind will create that for you. So whatever you believe in your mind will be exactly what's going to happen in your reality. Because your mind, I could get deeper into it about electrons and how the electrons magnetize to one another and shit like that, but y'all probably don't understand that shit. I've realized when I start talking like that, y'all start looking dumb as shit. So whenever you start telling yourself something, your mind will create that for you. It'll bring it in your reality. So just like this, if you're always focused on police cars will start showing up in your reality. I seen that shit yesterday. I started thinking about police cars, and I seen like 20 police cars yesterday. But once you start thinking about, okay, now I'm making money, this is what I want to do. I want to wake up and I want to do things that'll help me with money. Those opportunities will start coming to you, like in weird ass ways, bro. Like, as soon as I start saying, I want to start making money on TikTok, the next day I start getting emails. But since it's after December 21st, bro, now this mental manifestation shit, bro, it's there for you, bro. All you got to do is think it. Like, I'm telling you right now, look at this. This is 5 iPhones, bro. And I have one that I'm recording on right now. and I have my personal one. You feel me? I have 7 or 8 iPhones right now. Actually 9, because I just bought one this morning. And this is what I'm doing is my side business. You feel me? I'm able to invest all this money into things like that is because, number one, I focus my energy into things that'll help me do what I want, right? I meditate on those things, right? I meditate and I tell myself, I put myself in the frequency of money, and money comes to me. Any opportunity that I want within money is there for me. If I want to make $1,000 right now, I can do that shit. If I want to make 2,000, I can do that shit. It's because I manifested it with my mind. Now, if you don't know what manifestation is, it's basically the law of attraction. Whatever you put out is what comes back to you. That's karma. Excuse me. Law of attraction is opposites attract. So whatever you're thinking about, it'll come to you because of the thought. But where the opposites attract part comes in is you have to believe it and don't be like thinking about it on a certain level. Like, all right, look, this is a pure example of what I mean by opposites attract or law of attraction. All right, say that you're in a bad living situation and you want to manifest yourself an apartment. You need to have an apartment for better living conditions. So you're in this shitty place. You're going to say, I thank the universe, or I thank God, or I thank whoever, whatever you believe in. It'll work the same because it's the energy and it's the concept that works. I thank you, God, or I thank you, universe, or I am thankful that I am able to make, or I am able to live in this new, nice apartment. So what's going to happen is over time, since you have your mind focused on that vibration, that energy of the apartment, that apartment will start coming into your manifestation. It'll start coming into your reality because you already believe that. You already believe it. That's just like whenever you buy something on eBay and all you do is just press that buy button and you believe that that shit is going to come into your mailbox. Some of y'all are probably like, okay, I'm going to check the tracking all the time. And it feels like it takes forever for that shit to come. That's why, because you are putting your energy into faith or something that's called like, when is it gonna be here? You're afraid. Whenever you instill fear, that shit not gonna come to you as fast as it could. But once you believe that shit and you just let it be, that shit will come right. It'll come right to you, bro. That shit crazy, but that's how it works. So whatever you believe, you can achieve. So this is a pure example of just 1 year, bro. Of 1 year of me manifesting. Actually, like 3 months, no cap, because I didn't have any money until like the last 3 months. Now it's just like, bro, all the money I want is there. I manifest and I sit in meditation in this little area. Some of y'all who have y'all third eye open, oh shit. But some of y'all who have y'all third eye open, y'all might be able to see my gold. It's like abundance that I put around it. My bed, I put abundance. Like the energy of abundance around my bed, like whenever I meditate and stuff. Some of y'all may be able to do that or see that shit. It's like a gold shower around that shit. I can't explain it. You just gotta be able to see that shit. But yeah, you gotta believe that shit, bro. Just think about this. If you were an owner of a store and you had something, right? You had something to offer to somebody, but they didn't even believe that they were capable of having that shit. Or they weren't even capable, but they didn't believe that they were capable of doing the job that you want them to do. Would you give them the job? Hell no. If I need you to go pick up 150-pound objects and you do not believe you're capable of picking up 150-pound objects, why the fuck would I give you the job? It's the same thing for money and the energies of the world. If you believe that you're worth $2,000, the universe will give you $2,000 a month. If that's what you believe you're worth, it'll come to you. Like, it's that simple. I can't really express it more than that. But, bro, whatever you believe in your mind is what happens to your reality. Y'all, please understand that shit. And peace. You feel me? Peace. It's not my merch, but I'm about to make merch that look like this. But yeah, bro. I hope y'all understand what I'm talking about, bro. But it's real. Manifestation is real. This is just one of my first videos about manifestation because I had to stop all this stuff. Like, about focusing on my energy or focusing on I need to work hard to get money. No, bruh. Money comes to you. You just gotta sit back and let it. That's it. You feel me? Once I start realizing that I don't have to work, bro, I ain't never working a job in my life. What you mean? This is just the first part of my manifestation. I'm gonna keep on making videos about manifestation and how you can help yourself spiritually, because that's really what matters the most, is the spiritual realm, because that comes before physical. Anything that you want in the physical realm can be manifested from your spirit and your soul. That's how we got here. That's how our physical bodies are here, because our soul and our spirits manifested that for us. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I give y'all encouragement, love, positivity, and I want y'all to continue to grind. Continue to love yourself and love everybody around you, and try to be as, now I wouldn't even say positive, because some people take that wrong. Because whenever people talk about positivity, y'all expect people not to be mean or mad back to y'all whenever somebody do some bad shit. No. What I mean by that is give out the same energy that you get. Whenever people give you a bad energy, give them the same shit. It ain't no, oh, I'm gonna be nice to, no, it ain't, I'm gonna be nice to everybody. Because the word nice means dumb or ignorant anyways. That's why they say nice dudes never win. It's because they fucking stupid. If you understand female language or female nature, you won't know that a woman does not want a dude who is so nice to her and never does her bad, because a nigga like me is gonna come and put her in my bed and break her back down. And then she gonna keep coming to me, and you are gonna be on the other side being nice when she feeding off of you, but she getting dick from me. Whoa, I don't even think I should be talking about that on TikTok. I mean YouTube. But I really don't care, because this is my shit and I do what the fuck I want to. So yeah, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, like I said, bro, bye, bro. Just leave.